Greetings. Welcome to English class. Class 11, Unit 1, Book Back. Vocabulary. Page 7. Homophones. Homophones are words that sound alike but are different in spelling and meaning. Example, right, right. The first one is RIGHT. The second one is WRITE. RIGHT meaning something is correct. WRITE meaning to compose pieces of written text. Right, right, both are sound alike but different in meaning. Fill in the blanks with suitable homophones. Break, break. First one is BRAKE meaning a function in a vehicle to slow down or completely stop it. Second one is BREAK meaning to stop for short rest. A. We have a short dash between the sessions. Answer BREAK. Meaning to stop for a short rest. The first one is BREAK. So we have a short rest between the sessions. The car skidded to a halt when I applied the dash. Answer BRAKE. BRAKE. Meaning a function in a vehicle to slow down or completely stop it. So answer BRAKE. The car the car skidded to a halt when I applied the brake. BRAKE. It is a function to slow down or completely stop. Second one, waste, waste. First one is WASTE, second one WAIST. WASTE meaning unwanted materials. Unwanted materials. WAIST meaning the middle side part of your body. A. Shivani wears a belt around her waist. WAIST. So the first answer is WAIST. Shivani wears a belt around her middle side part of body. Waist. WAIST. We should never misuse or dash natural resources. So answer waste. 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 We should never misuse or waste natural resources. So we should never regard natural resources as unwanted material. So here waste is the answer. WASTE. Third one, principle. 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 The first one, principle, meaning moral standard. So the first one, PRINCIPLE, it refers to a natural, moral, legal rule or legal standard, moral standard. Principle, PRINCIPAL, principle, meaning most important. Most important. Oxygen is the dash element present in the Earth's crust. Answer, principle. Second one. Second one is the answer. PRINCIPAL. Principle. Oxygen is the principle. PRINCIPAL. Principal element present in the Earth's crust. Meaning oxygen is the most important element present in the Earth's crust. B. Both these machines work on the same dash, meaning same principle. PRINCIPLE. Same principle, meaning same standard. Fourth one, bread, bread. BREAD, bread. Food. The first one, BREAD, meaning food. BRED, bread, is the past tense for breed. Past tense of breed. BREED, breed. Breed means cause to procreate. Cause to procreate. So it is related to animals. A. Turtles should be dashed in a healthy environment. Answer. Turtles should be bred. 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 So, meaning past tense of breed. Cause to procreate. Turtles should be procreated in a healthy environment. So, bread is the answer. BRED. P. I like to have toasted bread. Toasted dash for breakfast. So answer, BREAD. BREAD. So food. I like to have toasted bread. BREAD. Bread for breakfast. Fifth one, lesson. 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 Meaning something you learn or something you teach. LESSEN, lesson, meaning make smaller, reduce. A. Thi- This machine will dash your pain. Lesson. LESSEN. This medicine will reduce your pain. Lessen your pain. LESSEN. B. Finally, the manager learned a dash the hard way. Answer, LESSON. So finally, the manager learned a lesson. So learning, LESSON. Sixth one, pale, 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 meaning weak. Second one, PAIL, meaning bucket. A. The child looks very sick and dash. Pale. P-A-L-E. Pale. Weak. The child looks very sick and weak. Pale. P-A-L-E. B. I need a dash of water to wash these cups. So answer pale. So above fifth one, the medicine will lessen, reduce. First one, finally the manager learned a lesson. So lesson, this is the second one. L-E-S-S-O-N. So here the child looks very sick and pale. P-A-L-E. Answer. I need a pail of water to wash these cups. P-A-I-L. Pail of water meaning bucket of water. Seventh one, through thrive. Through thrive. Through through. Through meaning to travel. To travel. First T-H-R-O-U-G-H. Through. Travel. Second one T-H-R-E-W. Through. Meaning past tense of throw. Past tense of throw. To cast something. A. Ravi picked the banana peel and dashed it in the dustbin. Through. T-H-R-E-W. T-H-R-E-W. Cast something. Throw something. Throw banana peel. So T-H-R-E-W is the answer. Second one, the soldiers had to pass through. T-H-R-O-U-G-H. Pass through a dark tunnel. Travel through a dark tunnel. So the first answer is T-H-R-E-W. The second one is T-H-R-O-U-G-H. Now you turn page 8. The first one is corpse, C-O-R-P-S. Second one is C-O-R-P-S-C. C-O-R-P-S meaning a branch of army. A branch of army. Second one is C-O-R-P-S-C meaning dead body. A. The dash was covered with a shroud. Answer C-O-R-P-S-C. Corpse. Dead body was covered with a shroud. C-O-R-P-S-C. B. A 5-day annual training camp for the senior cadets of the National Cadet Corps. C-O-R-P-S. Corps has been organized. So C-O-R-P-S-C and C-O-R-P-S, branch of army. So homophones. Homophones are words that sound alike but are different in spelling and meaning. Sound only will be same. Okay, that's all with me today. Thank you, students.